In this video, I will explain that how you can download all the pictures from Midjourney in just one click. Yes, in just one click, you can download all the pictures. So to do this, you have to download this extension, image downloader, image I. I will give the link in the description, or you can check from Chrome web. For example, image downloader, image I. Okay, and I have already installed it. So if you have not installed it, just click on the add and this will come here. Image downloader, image. As you can see, I have already this extension. Okay. When you come on the Midjourney Discord channel, then click on this picture and it will start searching for images. Here you can see that it will search about any small image, large at least. So you can select it on the large or anything, or you can start from any. Okay, now you will select a room of your choice from which you want to download the pictures. Okay, after you selecting the picture, you can come here and click on this icon and it will start searching images, and when the analyzation is complete, it will ask you to select from the option. It's analyzing. Let's say click on the size. Give it some time. Give it some time to analyze, and let's see what happens. As you can see, it is analyzing the pictures very quickly. In the meanwhile, you can grab a cup of coffee, or there might be some setting issue. Anyhow, these are more than enough. So let's click on the download button. Do not make sure you don't select the ask where to say okay. Let the download section advance and download. Okay, do not leave this page until complete. The image you are downloading may be protected by copyright because using an image, make sure you check its license and specific item of reuse. So we will see it later, but let it download the item. As you can see in the downloader, things are being downloaded very fast. So let's see, after downloading all the images, check them separately one by one and see. Let's see what happens. You can see this is the 6 MB picture. That's nice. You can cut this picture into 4. For example, this one.